Let's talk about page factory model. In page factory model, we separate all locators from the code and initiate separately in the page class. In the example, you can see that there is a web element, username, text element, and this particular web element can be found by using a find by annotation, which takes two properties. One is how and the other one is using. In the how, you mention which locator you are going to use, that is ID or XPath or name or any other locator, by saying how.id, how.xpath, how.name. In the using, you have to mention the value of the locator. You have to apply the same approach whenever you need a web element. Once the web element is defined, you can make use of this web element in any action method. For example, in the below, you can see there is a method set username. In this method, I use the web element, that is username text element, and I'm performing the action dot send keys. You can perform any action on the web element. You can perform dot click or dot clear or dot send keys or any other element on the any other action on the web element. So this is how we define the elements in the page factory model, and this is how we invoke those elements in the action methods. Once you define all the elements and once you make use of these web elements in your page action methods, you need to initiate the page class like this. Login page lpage equal to page factory dot init elements. It takes two parameters, one is driver and the other one is login page dot class. If you are initiating for home page, make sure instead of login page you make use home page. So that is how you work with page factory model. In the example, I'm going to explain clearly. In the practical example, I'm going to explain the page factory model in very clearly. Let's look at that practical example.